A customer calls in asking for a set of gaskets, but they don't ask for the right type of replacement fluids. What do? We're going to find out next on Talking Parts.
This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
When you're replacing a head gasket or an intake manifold gasket, you also need to drain and replace all the coolant and oil in the engine. Gaskets are engineered to withstand certain chemicals and fluids inside the engine. If your customer is using coolant or oil that's old and degraded, or it's not compatible with the gasket, it can degrade and shorten the lifespan of the replacement gasket, which can lead to leaks. It also can damage the engine. So here's the bottom line. If your customer is replacing a head gasket or an intake manifold gasket, you'll want to remind them to drain and replace the oil and coolant. And make sure you get the make, model, and year of their vehicle so you can recommend replacement fluids that are compatible with the gasket. I'm Josh Cable. We'll see you next time on Talking Parts.